Hello all. In this particular video, we shall be learning about rules for image formation in convex lenses. Now, as we know that convex lenses are converging in nature. So to know the rules, what you should do first, draw down the convex lens, put down the principal axis, mark down the aperture with dotted lines, and then give the optical center. Now on both sides of the lens, you can put down the focus as f1 and f2. Measure the length properly, it should be equal. And then at equal distance, put the twice f1 and twice f2. That is the center of curvature on both the cases. Now to begin with the first rule, a ray of light that is passing parallel to the principal axis. Use a scale, okay? If a ray of light is traveling parallel to the principal axis, after hitting the lens, it goes through the focus. Okay, it will pass through the focus on the other side. Same way I'm showing another. A ray of light which is traveling parallel to the principal axis, after hitting the boundary, it goes through the focus on the other side. This is rule number 1. A ray of light that is traveling parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus after hitting the lens on the other side. This is rule number 1. Now moving to rule number 2. What does rule number 2 says us? It is the opposite of rule number 1. Suppose a ray of light is passing through the focus. So as it passes through the focus, hits the lens, after hitting, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Again, I am showing a ray of light which crosses the focus. After hitting the lens, it will become parallel to the principal axis on the other side. This is rule number 2. A ray of light passing through the focus, after hitting the lens, it will be parallel to the principal axis on the other side. Okay. Now coming down to the last rule, all of you know that optical center is that particular portion of the lens through which there will be no bending of light rays. So rule 3 is based upon that. If a ray of light crosses the optical center, it will directly pass undeviated. That means if a ray of light is passing through the optical center, it will directly go through. So make sure you are using a scale to pass the rays. So a ray of light crossing the optical center will directly pass through is your rule number 3 for convex lenses.